Hey guys, coming to you today to show you my Snap-on impact sockets. 11-piece, half-inch drive. It ranges from a 3/8 to a 1-inch. Pretty good quality. Got their impact Snap-on. And over here, I have my 1/4-inch drive impacts. They're pretty good. Snap-on. It's a 12-piece deep well. Never used them yet. Impacts. Comes with this cool magnetic tray, and it sticks to things very well. And here's my both socket sets. Got this one for Christmas, and I got this one a while back. And I will do a tool review on my Craftsman toolbox and all my other tools when I get a chance sometime. This is just my first video that I've made. So, comment, rate, and subscribe.